and the total number of rupees spent by them in buying the toys. So we have these 10 friends, Sachin, Sehwag, Steve, Shane, Sanath, and so on. And the amount that they have spent in rupees is 75, 53, and so on. A number of toys bought is also given. Table 2 shows the number of toys sold by each of the 5 shops to the friends and the price of each toy at which the respective shop sold all of its toys. So shop 1, so let's look at table 2. Table 2 says there is one shop who sold 1 toy, 4 toys, 6 toys, and 9 toys of 7 rupees each to 4 of these friends, and so on and so forth. So the first thing to understand is the total number of toys bought here should be equal to the total number of toys sold, right? So let's check that. 11 plus 9 is 20. 13 plus 17 is 30. 12 plus 8 is another 20. And then we will have 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 10, 28. So we have a total of 98 toys. So let's count the number of toys here from here. From shop 1, the total number of toys is 20. From shop 2, the number of toys is 25. Shop 3, number of toys is 17. Next one say 8, 12, 16. And the next one is going to be 20. So the total is going to be 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 98. Right? The next thing is, now to understand is, how will we able to get 75 rupees with using what combination, and similarly 53 rupees using which combination, right? So either we will start with the lowest or we will start with the highest. Okay. So the lowest number, the lowest amount that has been spent is by Saurav, right? So he bought 4 toys, and using those 4 toys, he was able to spend, he spent 34 rupees, right? So that would mean, how can we get 34 rupees using 4 toys? Now, he may buy one toy of 7 rupees, another toy of 5 rupees, that is 12, another toy of 11 rupees. So this 34 has to be a combination of these 5 numbers, right? Maybe a number is used at least, maybe a number is used twice or more than that. For example, if Saurav bought 2 toys, he will be spending 2 into 3, 6 rupees, right? So how can Saurav, so once we have verified the numbers, let's erase that part. So how can Saurav buy 4 toys? So either he is going to buy 4 toys directly from a shop, right? 4 into 7, 28 rupees, but Saurav is 34. Or 4 into 3, 12 only, but it's 34. 4 into 11 is 44, which is more than that. So either he buys 4 toys directly, or he buys 3 toys of one type and 1 toy of another. So 1 ek hi hai, so that is 7 rupees. So 4 mein se 1 toy of 7 rupees, and then 3 toys. So when 7 is done, we are left with 27, right? So 3 toys of 9 rupees each. So that is going to be 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. So this is one possibility. Let's check if there is any other possibility or not. So can we take this 3? No, 3 into 3 is only 9, 3 into 11. So 1, 3 possibility is there for Saurav, right? Let's look at, apart from 1, 3, can we have 2, 2? Oh, 2, 2 is not going to exist. So there is only one way by which this particular number of toys was sold from shop 1 and shop 5 for Saurav. That was 1 toy from shop 1 and 3 toys from shop 3. Shop 5. Okay. So this is how we will have to find out the combinations that should exist. So obviously we should start with, we should actually draw a table so that we can fill up the values. So for that, we will need, what would be the appropriate way? Let's use table 1 only, okay? And within table 1, we will be using a combination, as in we will be writing down the combinations for each of the friends, okay? Oh, 1 second. There are 2 more statements given. Further, it was also known that no friend bought any toy from any shop other than the shops mentioned, which was obvious, and no shop sold any toys to any person other than the 10 persons mentioned in table 1, which is obvious. We have already counted the total number of toys, even if we did not know this. Okay, next, each shop sold the boys to exactly 4 of the 10 friends. That was also understood. Number of toys sold to each of these 4 friends is shown separately in table 2, and each friend bought toys from exactly 2 of the given shops. Okay, so this is interesting. So we need to form a combination from using only 2 people, as in from 2 shops for each person, right? So for this, let's use a table. Okay, so I will draw a table. I will shift it, looking at the combinations, and in order to remember one of the statements, I will keep it ताकि याद रहे. Everything else is understood in this, isn't it? Okay, so something like this. So for Saurav, we have already seen, okay, so he buys one quantity from shop 1, so I'll write S1, one quantity of 7 rupees, and then 3 quantities of 9 rupees, so that it's 34 and total of 34 rupees and total of 4 toys. And this is shop number 5. He buys 3 of 9 rupees. So the approach I'm using is shop number quantity into price. मैं ऐसे लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Okay, now let's check the highest. 17 पे चलते हैं. So obviously this 3 is used and this 1 is used, right? अब 17 पे चलते हैं. How can I make a 17? Can we say we can make 17 only using 9 and 8? Because, you know, only 2 shops use करने. So this is obviously 9 and 8. So 17 is going to be shop 1, where he buys 9 items of 7 rupees. That's 63, right? And from shop 3, he buys 8 items of 3 rupees. So that is 24. 63 plus 24 is 87. Excuse me. After 17, the next highest number that we have is 13. How can we make a 13? We can make a 13 only using 7 and 6 from whatever is left, right? So this 6 is going to be used, one of these 2 6s and one of these 2 7s. So let's see, how can we get 13 total toys and 77 rupees? So from shop 1, if it buys 6 toys of 7 rupees each, so that's 42. And 7 toys of 5 rupees each, so that is 25. So this is 77. Let's see if we have another possibility also. 7 into 9 will be 63, so it doesn't match. Next is 6 into 5 is going to be 30. And 7 into 9 is going to be 63. This is way more than 77. So the only combination we can have is shop 1 and shop 2 for Shahid. So Shahid ka shop 1, 6 of 7 rupees, and shop 2, 7 of 5 rupees. So 35 plus 42 is 77. Yes, it is. So 6 is used, 1 7 is used. Now let's go to the next smaller number. After 4, the next smaller number we have is 7, and we have two 7s. How can we make a 7? We can make a 7 by taking 5 and 2, and we can take a 7 by taking 3 and 4. Can we have two 3s and two 4s? Yes, that is also possible. 4 is here also. Let's see if we can make 5 and 2 ka combination. So if I take for Sehwag 5 items of 5 rupees each, shop 2 say, and 2 items of 3 rupees each, will this add up to give me 53? No. Will it add up to give me 51? No. 25 plus 12 is mere 37, right? So 5 and 2 ka combo will not work. Next is, what if we take 3 and 4 ka combo? So if we take 3 items from here, which is shop 4, so that is 33, and then we need 4 items of how much amount to get 53? मेरे को 20 और चाहिए. For 20 I need 5 rupees का, but we do not have that. So 3, if I use this, there is no way I will be able to make 53, right? Okay, so we can't use that 3. Let's use the other 3. 3 items of 3 rupees each, so that is going to be 9, and then we need 4 items of 11 rupees, so that's 44. Okay, so we can take 4 items and 3 items. So 3 and 4 will result in total 7 items, and the amount will become 53. So for Sehwag, it is shop number 3, wherein he buys 3 items of 3 rupees each, and from shop number 4, he buys 4 items of 11 rupees worth. Okay, let's look at the next 7. For the next 7, the possibility is 33 and 28. Okay, so for Sanat, it is going to be shop number 1, from where he buys 4 items or 4 toys of 7 rupees each, so that's 28 rupees. And from shop number 4, he buys 3 toys of 11 rupees each, so 28 plus 33. Hold on, 28 plus 33 is 61. Okay. It's not 51. It is 61. 33 plus 12 is 45. 25 plus 12, 28 and 33, 44 and any other way to make this as 51? Is it 51 or should this be 61? We need 7 items. So 7 can be done using 5 and 2, which is 25 plus 12, won't result in 51. The next is 33 plus 28, which is 61. 33 plus 12, which is 45. If I take 4, that will not make sense. Okay, what if I take this one of the 5s from here and another 2 from here? So 5 into 9 being 45 plus 6, 51. Okay, we can have a 5 and 2 combination from here, 1 5 and 1 2. So from shop 3, Sanat buys 2 items of 3 rupees each, and from shop 5 he buys 5 items of 9 rupees each. So 45 plus 6 being 51. So these all are used. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10. So 5 of them have been used. Okay, let's go to the next higher or the smaller number. So let's go to, let's say, 12. Next highest number. How can I make a 12 from here? I can make 12 using 7 5, 7 5. So we can have 2 possibilities, right? shop 2 7, shop 4 5 and shop, acha nahi, 3 cases, shop 5 7 and shop 4 5 or the other combination. So we need 88 rupees. So let's take this 7 twice of 5 rupees each and 5 twice of 11 rupees each. So 55 plus 35. Oh, that's 90. So this combination will not work. So that means we definitely can't take the shop 2 ka 7. We'll have to take shop 5 ka 7, which will result in shop 5 ka 5 twice, sorry, 7 twice of 9 rupees each. So that is 63 already. So we will need 25. So for 25, we need 5 into 5. Where do we see 5 into 5? We see 5 into 5 here. So that is going to be from shop number 2. Okay, the next smallest number. So we are switching between highest, smallest, smallest, highest. ठीक है, ताकि हर एंड से हम लोग कम करते चले जाए नंबर्स. 8 कैसे बन सकता है अब? From the leftover, there are two ways to make 8. 5-3 का combo or 4-4 का combo. So from 8, for Steve, we need 72 rupees. So if I take, let's say, 4-4 का combo, which is going to be 4 into 14, which will be simply 56, right? We can have 18 into 4. That will give us 72, right? 1 4 from here and 1 4 from here. 4 into 7, 28. 4 into 11, 44. 44 plus 28 is 72. Do we have a combination with 8 chahiye na? 5 and 3? This is going to be 33 plus 45. Oh, this will only result in 78 and not 88 as we needed. So 4-4. So for Steve, he goes to shop number 1, buys 4 items worth 7 rupees each. Then he goes to shop number 4 and he buys 4 items worth 11 rupees each. Okay. Once 8 is done, let's look at 9. How can we make a 9? We can make 6-3 or 4-5. Zyada cases ho rahe hain. Let's look at 11. How can we make an 11? 11 we can make is using 7-4 and 6-5. Okay. So let's make an 11. I need a 75. So if I take 7 and 4, so 35 plus 12 will not give us 75, right? Amount 7 into 5 is 35 and 4 into 3 is 12. 11 items, but the amount is not 75. Okay. Next is 6 and 5. So if I take 6 into 5, 30 and 5 into 11, 55. 30 plus 55 is 85. It's not 75. Okay. 6 into 5, 30 and 5 into 9, 45. This is possible. So from shop 2, he buys 6 items of 5 rupees each. And from shop 5, he buys 5 items of 9 rupees each, which is 30 plus 45 results in 75. So this 6 is also used and this 5 is used. Okay, next we need to make 10. The only way is 7 plus 3 and we need to make 9. That's only 4 and 5. So 10 is going to be from shop 2, 7 items of 5 rupees each. And then shop 4, 3 items of 11 rupees each. So that is 35 plus 33, which is 68, which should have been. That's very obvious. And for Saklane, it is going to be shop 2, 7 items of 5 rupees each. Acha, nahi, 7 and 3 we are done, no? Abhi 7 use kar liya. And shop 4 se 3 use kar liya. So 4 and 5 left. So that is shop 3. 4 items of 3 rupees each. And from shop number 4, 5 items of 11 rupees each. So this is 12 plus 55, which results in 67. So thankfully there was one and only one way to, make a combination. We did not have the possibility कि ये भी हो सकता है और वो भी हो सकता है, right? Let's look at the questions. Mr. I can't read your name. Okay. Who among the following bought the least number of toys from shop 2? Shop 2, the least number of toys is 5. So shop 2 का least number of toys is 5. So shop 2 ka 5, where do we see? We see here, Smith. Smith bought 5 toys from shop 2. So Smith will be the answer. Okay, next. Which of the following pairs has the name of two friends who bought the same number of toys from two different shops from among the given 5 shops? So instead of looking at the table, let's look at the options. Smith and Sachin. So Sachin bought 6 and 5. And Smith bought 5 and 7. Does it say we need to have same number of toys? तो ये तो पहले ऑप्शन में ही हो गया, right? Okay. How many of the given 10 friends spent at least rupees 30 on buying toys in both the shops where they purchased toys? So 30 rupees at least spend करना चाहिए इसको, right? Let's see. Sachin, 30 and 45. Yes. Shehwag is only 9. Steve is only 28. Shane is 35 and 33. Second guy. Sanath is 2 into 3, 6. Saeed is 8 into 3, 24. Saurabh is just 7 rupees. Smith is only 25 rupees. Shahid is 42 and 35. So this is the third guy. Sakleen is only 12 in one of the. So there are only 3 people who bought at least 30 rupees ka toys from the 2 shops that they shopped from. Okay. So 3 log ho gaye. There are only 3 people. Okay, next. How many pairs of friends are there in which both the friends had bought toys from the same 2 shops? Okay. इसका मतलब है कि if there is A and B, they both should have bought it from the same. So that is 1 pair. So we need to count how many such pairs exist. Okay. Let's look at Sachin. He bought S2, S5. Do we have S2, S5 again? Yes. So we have got Sachin and Smith. Dono same pair of shops hain. So this is 1 pair of friends. S3, S4. Do we have S3, S4 again? Yes. So Sehwag and Sakleen, this is the second pair. Next, we have S1, S4. Do we see S1, S4 again? No. S2, S4. Do we see S2, S4? Nope. S3, S5? No. S1, S3? S1, S5? S1, S2? Nahi hai. So there are only 2 pairs of friends, Sachin Smith pair and Sehwag Sakleen pair, where they bought the toys from same 2 shops. Okay. So an interesting set. When you solve it for the first time, it might be time consuming, right? But rather interesting. Okay, next set. Study the following information and answer the given questions. 6 captains of 6 cricket teams wearing jerseys of 6 different colors are to sit around a circular table on 6 equally spaced chairs such that they face each other. Each team has exactly 1 captain and each captain wears jersey of a different color. It is also known that Shikhar this, and answer the following questions on the basis of all the information given above. Okay, so let's look at the question. The colors of jerseys of how many captains cannot be determined. So most likely we won't be able to figure out each and everything from the given set, right? So we will be drawing the circular table, right? Okay, so let's draw the table. We need 6 people to be seated. And if you want 6 people to be seated, second. This is something we should have. The 6 people to be seated, they should be placed something like this so that they are facing each other and they are equidistant, right? Okay. So the number of parameters we have are, we have got jerseys of 6 different colors. We have got 6 captains. We have got 6 cricket teams. And then it's about left and right. So there are overall 4 parameters. It's the name of the captains, it is the cricket teams, and it is the jersey color, along with to the left, to the right, 2 places to the left, vagara vagara, they must be sitting. So should we start with the circular table right away, or should we first of all figure out who is the captain of which team and so on and so forth, and then try to solve it? Okay, it will depend on the conditions. So let's read the conditions. Shikhar, the captain of team F, is the only person who will sit between Virat and Mahendra, the captain of team C. Rahul, the captain of team B, will sit like this. And तो एक काम करते हैं, let's write down who is the captain of which particular team, right? So we have got Shikhar. He is the captain of team F. And then we have got Mahendra. He is the captain of team C. We have got Rahul, who is the captain of team B. Ajinkya, he is the captain of team D. We have got Virat, captain of team E. So there is only one letter left, A, and the person whose name has not been included is Rohit. So Rohit turns out to be captain of team A. Now let's talk about the color of the jersey if we know any. Shikhar, okay, in the first statement there is no color mentioned. Rahul, the captain of team B, Rohit, and the person wearing green colored jersey will sit on alternate places. So Rahul doesn't wear green color, and so does Rohit. Rohit भी green color का jersey नहीं पहनेगा, right? Person wearing brown colored jersey will sit second to the left of the person wearing blue colored jersey. So the 2 colors that we are aware of more are, apart from green, it's brown and blue. Yes, आपके 2 और colors आ गए. The captains who wear jerseys of black, red and yellow. Black, red, yellow. So these are the 5 colors and green is the 6th color. Okay, so we know all the 6 colors now. 5th statement mein Ajinkya captain wear black colored jersey. So Ajinkya wears black colored jersey. Okay, so let's remove black now, right? क्योंकि अब हमें black पता है किधर रखना है. ठीक है. So we know the team. We know the captain's name of that team. We know the color for only one team, that is Ajinkya's team, and the color, right? We don't know the color of the remaining 5. Now, while reading these statements, we came across 2 statements that were look-alike. Okay, second statement and the 4th statement, because it says Rahul, Rohit, and the person wearing green colored jersey will sit on alternate places. So let's say place number 1, 3 and 5. ठीक है, एक काम करता हूँ मैं इनका नंबरिंग भी कर देता हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so it's going to be either 1, 3, 5 or it's going to be 2, 4, 6. It doesn't really matter. But once we place 1, 3, 5 में Rahul, Rohit and the green colored jersey wearing captain, 4th statement says the captains who wear jerseys of black, red and yellow colors will sit on alternate places. So ये अब बताता है, because green colored is not mentioned in these 3 colors, so it's not the same captains who are going to be sitting at alternate places, right? So let's start with black, red and yellow on alternate places. Let's start with Ajinkya. एक काम करते हैं, कलर लिख लेते हैं पहले. ओके, So we have got black color here. Once we have black, the combinations we can have is red yellow, or we can have red yellow. Okay, once this is done, next we have to put Rahul, captain of team B, which is, Rahul, Rohit, and green colored. So Rahul, Rohit, and green colored. So where is Rahul, where is Rohit, and where is green colored? We don't know. So Rahul, Rohit, and green colored. Rahul, Rohit, and green colored. We'll have Rahul, Rohit, and green colored, right? So we don't know which person is green colored, where is Rahul, where is Rohit, because the sequence is not necessarily the same as it is written. आगे पीछे भी हो सकता है. Okay. Next statement is person wearing brown colored jersey will sit to the left of the person wearing blue colored jersey. Okay. So person wearing brown colored. So obviously brown colored is not at 1, 3 or 5. Brown colored is at 2, 4 or 6 depending upon where green colored is. So wherever that person sits, brown colored will sit second to the left of the person. So depending upon where where green is, accordingly brown and blue colored jersey will be used. So we don't know that, but ek cheez pakka hai, it will be among Rahul and Rohit. So either Rahul is going to be wearing brown and Rohit is going to be wearing blue, or Rohit is going to be wearing brown and Rahul is going to be wearing blue. ये fix हो गया. So we know all the 6 colors, but not the exact combination, right? So we can remove this. Green not possible. This was obvious. Okay. Ajinkya sits in front of Shikhar. So this is Ajinkya, right? And he sits in front of Shikhar. So 5 and 2, they are directly in front of each other. So 2 pe we will have Shikhar, right? The color is going to be, since brown and blue are used, which will be for Rahul and Rohit, and Shikhar goes there. So it has to be green, right? Because Rahul and Rohit, if they are going to be here, that would mean that this statement will not happen, because before, in front of Ajinkya, we directly need Shikhar. So the only possibility is this is going to be green, and accordingly we will have brown and blue. So this is going to be brown, blue, or this is going to be blue, brown. So we have 4 cases as of now possible. So this is green. चलो एक कलर और पता चल गया. Next, Virat, the captain of team E, will sit in front of captain of team A. So E and A, they sit in front of each other. So if this is A, this is where Virat is going to sit. If this is A, this is where Virat is going to sit, and accordingly he will pick up red or yellow. So the only thing that now we can say is red or yellow hoga Mahendra ka, and Virat ka accordingly yellow and red. Okay. So we really cannot figure out much, right? Next is this Shikhar, the captain of team F, is the only person who will sit between Virat and Mahendra. Okay. So we have got Virat and Mahendra. So where is Virat, where is Mahendra, we don't know. So I'll write Mahi in short. I hope you guys will understand this. And this is going to be Mahi and Virat in any combo. Green is definitely Shikhar. right? I'm writing people's name in within the bracket. Black is definitely a Jinx jersey color, and brown and blue, they are between Rahul and Rohit in some order. ठीक है. Let's not make all the 4 cases possible or the 8 cases possible. Let's leave it as such. Let's read the question and then try to solve this. The colors of the jerseys of how many captains cannot be determined, right? So कितने सारे ऐसे कैप्टन हैं जिनका जर्सी नंबर हम नहीं बता सकते. So we can definitely say that there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 people. 4 people whose jersey number we are not sure about. Rather, we can say there are 6 people, 2 का पता है, 4 का नहीं पता. So 4 should be the answer. Okay, next. For how many teams among the 6 can the names of their captains be determined? So team का नाम along with their captain names. That is something we know that for all these 6 teams we were able to do this, right? So the answer is going to be 6. It says be determined, not cannot be. Cannot be होता तो 0 होता answer. Okay. Next is who will sit second to the right of Mahendra. So let's go and check. First of all, we don't know where Mahendra is. So his second to the right may be Virat or it may be Ajinkya. So we don't know. So the answer should be cannot be determined. Okay. Who will sit in front of Rohit? So let's check that. Rohit sits here at 6. Then Mahi or Virat, one of them will sit at 3. If Rohit sits at 4, Virat or Mahi में से कोई एक बैठेगा. So it's definitely Virat or Mahi में से कोई एक, but who, we don't know that. So hold on, who will sit in front of Rohit? There was something about second to the right now. Sorry, second to the left. Person wearing brown colored jersey will sit second to the right of the person wearing blue colored jersey. Brown colored jersey will sit second to the left of the person wearing blue colored. Okay. So we know that brown is there and blue is here. But who sits there? एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. Who will sit in front of Rohit? So in front of Rohit, we have this. Acha, the last one. Virat, the captain of team E, will sit in front of captain of team A. So team E and A, they will be sitting in front of each other, right? So it's not cannot be determined. Rohit and Virat आमने सामने बैठते हैं. It is already given in these statements. So C will be the answer. Right. Yeah, it's going to be Virat. So लास्ट स्टेटमेंट में टीम ए का कैप्टन जो था वो रोहित है ना. So that is something we had to check out already. Okay, so everyone who is watching, please make sure that you like and subscribe if you haven't. So we have started with our MHCET specialized course. So if you are targeting this year's MHCET, please make sure that you enroll. And on 10th of March at 11 a.m. There is going to be a scholarship test wherein you can avail up to 90% scholarship. So make sure that you avail the opportunity. Okay. On 17th of March at 11 a.m. Mr. Srinivas is going to talk about how to manage job with studies, right? So register for this and attend this workshop. Okay. If you are struggling with managing your studies with your college, studies with your job, right? On 21st of March at 7 p.m., Mr. Vikrant is going to discuss about CAT 2024 VRC, the game changer. So he will be talking about how to improve in your VRC, how to select the right questions and the sets, the RC sets. Okay. 24th of March, again, you can write another scholarship test and you can avail up to 90% scholarship. The timing is 11 a.m. 31st of March, roadmap to 99 percentile will happen. It will be taken by Mr. Srinivas. In our MHCT specialized course, we provide more than actually hundreds of live, recorded and pre-recorded lectures, 12 mocks and more than 3,500 practice questions. CAT College Predictor is there. Please take the link in the description if you want to see which college you are best suited for. And do check out our social media handles and pages. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Take care. I'll see you.